Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this torn paper effect in Canva. So type in frame first in elements. Forgot to actually type it in elements. Go to frame, go to frames, and you're going to scroll down until you find the torn paper frame. So scroll down again, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Here you'll be able to see one, but we don't want that. Just going to keep scrolling. Maybe if you typed in torn paper frame, it will be easier. Actually, I'm just gonna do that. Torn paper in frames. And you'll see these options that you can choose from. I'm going to select this one right here. And I'm also going to select, for instance, this one also for the edge right here as well. And I'm going to, for instance, add in something underneath. Maybe like treasure. And then on the torn paper, I'm going to like add a map. Why do I keep typing there? Treasure. Go to photos, and I'm going to add this to the background. Let me just cut this first and paste that. Then I'm going to type in map here. Then I'm just going to add like a picture of a map there and a picture of the map to the left side. I'm also going to adjust it like that, and this one as well. Place it like here maybe. And that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!